Hello and welcome to another tutorial session. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to send automated emails on Google Forms submission. Now, as always, the first thing you want to do is head over to your Google Forms, and you can achieve this by heading to your Chrome browser and just typing in Google Forms. And so far, you already have your mail logged in on your system. It will take you straight up to this page. So this is what the Google Forms web page looks like. This is the dashboard of the Google Form. So to show you how to send automated emails on Google Form, you would want to either start a new form or use any of these templates readily available on the dashboard, or you just work with any of the recent forms you had opened before. For the purpose of this video, I'll just pick this particular form over here and click on it. Remember, automated emails are emails that are sent automatically based on a trigger or schedule without you having to send them manually each time. First, the next thing you want to do is head over to responses, which is at the top over here. This is where you have collated all the responses from this particular Google form. Now, at the top right here on this particular response, you will see a plus sign in green. So you just click on that and it will take you to the next page. So this is where all of your responses have been collected and it's in a better form for you to view. So this is what our Google Sheets looks like. The next thing we want to do is head over to extensions, which is over here at the top here on my Google Sheets. I'll click on that and then click on add-ons and then head over to get add-ons and click on that. So when this page opens up, which is a Google Workspace Marketplace, I'll head over to the search bar in order to get the add-ons I want for sending automated emails, and then I'll search for forms notification. So let's just quickly type that in there, forms notification, and it will take us to the next thing we have to do. All right, so these are examples of form notifications on the Google Market Space. So I'll just install the particular one I want to work with. So I want to work with this particular form notification, so I'll just click on install and go through the process of setting it up. Ensure that you give it every form of verification and access it needs, so you can go ahead to ensure this is properly installed. All right, so we'll just give it all of the access it needs and then we'll just click on continue down here, and as you can see, we have our add-on set up. All right, as you can see on my screen, my form notification has been properly set up, and as you can see, I have the information to fill in all of this to ensure that the next time I want to send my mail, so far I have collected all the mails. All my mails will send automatically without me having to come online here to ensure that I begin to click on them manually. So this is how you can set up your Google Workspace in order to send automated emails without having to click on them manually. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you've been able to learn how to send automated emails on Google Form submission. Until next time, bye for now.